Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you've probably struggled to find that perfect body lotion that really quenches your skin's thirst without being too heavy or greasy. Well, today I'm going to share with you my experience with a product that promises just that, Hempz Triple Moisture Body Moisturizer. This 17-ounce hydrating lotion is designed to help nourish and repair extremely dry or sensitive skin with the power of natural oils, antioxidants, and vitamins. Before we get started, if you love discovering beauty products that work as hard as you do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. Let's talk about what makes this lotion stand out. The Hempz Triple Moisture Body Moisturizer is packed with enriching natural oils, Yangu oil and Hempseed oil, both known for their powerful antioxidant properties. These ingredients are rich in fatty acids, helping your skin stay supple, moisturized, and firm, which makes it especially ideal for those of us with dry or mature skin. But what's really intriguing is that it's also infused with apple fruit extract, which not only nourishes, but gives your skin that radiant, healthy glow we all crave. Now, how does it feel when you apply it? It's light, almost airy in texture. You can definitely feel the hydration as you massage it in, but it doesn't leave you feeling sticky or greasy. One of the things I love about this lotion is that it absorbs quickly, which is a lifesaver if you're in a rush. It's also great for all-day wear because the fragrance, peach and grapefruit, is subtle and refreshing. It's not overpowering, so you won't feel like you're drenched in perfume, and the scent lingers just enough to make you feel pampered throughout the day. When I first started using it, I noticed that my skin felt instantly softer, and after continued use, I saw a visible improvement in my skin's texture. It feels nourished, hydrated, and noticeably firmer. Plus, I love that it's 100% vegan and free from parabens and gluten, just pure goodness for your skin. In terms of real-world testing, I've been using this body lotion both in the morning after my shower and before bed. It works well in both scenarios. During the day, I don't feel the need to reapply, which is great for those busy days when you don't have time to think about skincare. At night, it provides that extra nourishment my skin craves, especially in the cooler months. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Hempz Triple Moisture Body Moisturizer has a luxurious, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly and provides long-lasting hydration. The fragrance is fresh but not overwhelming, which is a huge win. Plus, the fact that it's vegan, THC-free, and free of parabens and gluten makes it a safe option for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals. On the downside, the price might be a bit high for some, especially when you compare it to other body lotions on the market. However, considering the quality of ingredients and the performance, I think it justifies the cost. The 17-ounce size also means that it lasts quite a while, so you're getting good value for your money in the long run. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other body lotions that offer similar moisturizing benefits, like the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion or the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Both are more budget-friendly and offer deep hydration, but they don't have the same luxurious texture or scent that Hempz brings to the table. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The pump dispenser makes it easy to get just the right amount of product without wasting any. The packaging is sturdy and feels premium, which is what you'd expect from a product in this price range. As for longevity, this moisturizer is effective throughout the day. My skin feels nourished from morning until night, which is a real plus for anyone dealing with dry skin. It doesn't wear off or leave me feeling parched after a few hours, which I've found to be the case with some other lotions I've tried. So, what's the verdict? The Hempz Triple Moisture Body Moisturizer does live up to its claims. It's an excellent choice for anyone with dry, sensitive, or mature skin looking for a nourishing body lotion that provides deep hydration without feeling heavy. If you're willing to splurge a little on a high-quality product, this is definitely worth it. If you've tried this product or are thinking about giving it a go, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And remember, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.